Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video. Fight yeah, head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. Today I will be breaking down and showing you guys something that every sneakerhead should know by now. So if this is your first time coming to the channel, first off, hit that subscribe button because guys, we are hitting 100K this year. That's your dog, you know what I'm saying? This is the year it happened. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also guys, make sure you smash this like button. Listen, if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, I will be doing a giveaway, and I'll be telling you guys how to do the giveaway after we see if we can hit this milestone. So 1,000 likes on this video and giveaway happening guaranteed. And last but not least guys, follow me on Instagram. It is listed down below. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So you came here because obviously you want to know the best way to prevent a sneaker from creasing. Now first off, I do have to say a lot of people might not like what I gotta say. A lot of people might not like where this conversation is going. The reason why a lot of OG sneakerheads like the fact that your sneakers crease. Now, in my opinion, it's all about style and option. Me personally, I have no problem with my shoes creasing sometimes, but depending on what shoe it is, it could be a problem. The reason why is because a lot of people think that the creasing makes the shoe look better. For example, here we have your Air Jordan 1. Very classic shoe, in my opinion. Now, the Air Jordan 1 is notorious for having that creased toe box, and a lot of people say when that crease happened, it's more natural. A lot of people say it gives it a more authentic and easy look. Now, once again, it's all about preference and it's all about style. So I don't want to, what's the word I can use, man? I don't want to upset or frustrate anybody, you know what I'm saying, that likes the original creasing, because we all like what we like. I'm just here to simply help out my people who don't want to deal with it. Now, quickly before I introduce the product that works with this, what I want to tell you guys is whenever it comes to any sneaker that has a large toe box, it can be Air Jordan 1, it can be an Air Jordan 5, an Air Jordan 4, an Air Jordan 3. Notice all of the names of the sneakers I'm naming has a huge toe box. Any sneaker that has a huge toe box will definitely, indefinitely crease. It's not going to prevent it 100%, but I guarantee it will slow the process down 1,000%. This is the best way to prevent any creases from your sneakers if that's the route you want to go. Because I'm telling you, man, you take a sneaker like the Foamposite, ain't no crease in this, okay? This is why I know a lot of people do not like the Foamposite. It's not the cool shoe no more. A lot of y'all make fun of it. But listen, all I'm saying is you can buy a sneaker for $230, you can buy a sneaker for $250 or even $190, like an Air Jordan 5 or something for $190, and that shoe will crease the same day you wear it. And then again, you can spend $230 for this and you'll have this shoe forever. There's literally Foamposites that have been in my collection for about 5, 6, 7, 8 years, and you can't tell because they don't crease. If they got a black outer sole, they don't yellow. Like, how can you really mess up a foam? That's just something for me to throw out there for the people who want to go away from buying sneakers that will crease, because sneakers crease, especially when you wear it. And I do encourage everybody to wear their sneakers. So no more to talking. The product I will be showing you guys today is strictly from Reshoevn8r. Reshoevn8r has the best sneaker cleaning products, and they also have the best sneaker prevention products. On top of that, guys, if you use my discount code SNIPER, it'll save you 10% from the entire website. 10% from the entire website. Everything. The sneaker shields, whatever else you bought, add it up, 10% off. Not only does that save you some ends, it definitely helped me out as well. So if you're a supporter and you appreciate the channel, make sure you use the discount code SNIPER. And one of them is the Reshoevn8r sneaker shield. Now what this does is it allows you to kind of move freely in your pair of sneakers without worrying about the creasing. Like I say, I know it's very hard to go completely away from them, but at the end of the day, it will definitely slow down the process. Now, it's very, very easy how you use it. You know, make sure I got the right one here, first of all, because I would hate to put it in the wrong side. Cool, so you get the Reshoevn8r shoe horn and you simply place it in the shoe. As simple as possible. You just slide it in. Me, personally, I like to pinch the sides. See these two? I pinch the sides just so I make sure it go down smoothly. And once I do that, I get my hand and I just kind of shove it down all the way to make sure that it's touching the front of the toe box, to make sure it's covering that whole joint. Now, when it comes to sizing, I think they got like just universal sizing, I believe. But what I can tell you guys is if you're going to wear a sneaker like this, make sure it's not a shoe that automatically fits tight. So I would not put this in a Yeezy. I would not put this in any type of prom knit tight fit. Like, no, that's not the vibe. Do not put this in no Balenciaga trainers, no Balenciaga runners. That is not the move. I would strictly suggest, you know, regular fashionable sneakers, Jordan, Adidas, you know, the Air Force Ones, the regular sneakers that we use on a day-to-day. So me personally, I like to get a sneaker that's like, if I'm gonna use this, sometimes it works better a half size up. And the reason why is because sometimes the sneaker shield can definitely, I don't know, it can kind of clog up the toe box sometimes. Not a problem if you're already going into it knowing that you're going to want to preserve the shoe. So for example, if this new Air Jordan comes out, you know you're going to want these iced up. Instead of getting a 12, get a 12 and a half. Instead of getting a 9, get a 9 and a half. Only because sometimes, not for all sneakers, me personally, I can put my foot in this Air Jordan 1 and be perfectly fine. Like, my feet fits great. But I've also heard stories of people saying that it's kind of tight, it's kind of clogged up, so I don't suggest nobody doubling up socks, anything like that. Do not add to the fact that it's already something down here in the toe box. But once you do that, once you push it in pretty good, it's simple as just putting your sneakers on and walking. And it's not an awkward feel. It may be an awkward feel to a lot of you guys. To me, I have been using these for a while now, and it's kind of easy for me to wear. Now, what I want to show you guys is up close and personal. So right here, you see the toe box on the shoe, right? Hopefully, it kind of, okay, are you going to focus, camera? Okay, cool. So the camera is focused. You see the toe box. Now, I'm going to show you the difference between a regular sneaker without the sneaker shield and a sneaker with the sneaker shield. This shoe has no sneaker shield. So as we look at the toe box right here, as it focus in, I'm going to press down on the toe box. You see that? It's a wrap. It's a wrap, bro. Walking on this is absolutely a wrap. It's nothing that's stopping your shoe from bending, nothing stopping your shoe from folding. Another thing about Air Jordan 1s, we love Air Jordan 1s so much because of the material that it has. Material is a huge reason why your sneaker can crease. If you have an all 3M shoe like a 5 Lab 3, they will crease super fast. Even if you have a sneaker like, where is that 5? A shoe like this, Supreme Air Jordan 5, okay? This whole print over this, it'll crease pretty fast, as you guys can see. So after seeing how easy it is to crease up without the sneaker shield, once you bring the sneaker shield into play, wait for it to focus in. Now look, you see, total difference. You hear that? I am actually pressing down. Look at my, I'm locked in. My elbows is locked in. Look at that. It's not moving, guys. It's not moving, and that's the biggest key. You probably will see some creases in these just because I don't always put in my sneaker shields, not all the time. I only use them if I'm going to be running around for an extreme point of time. The good thing about them is, say if you're walking around and they have any discomfort, you can easily just take them out, put them in your backpack, leave them in the car, and just continue to go about the rest of your day. It's not like a huge adjustment you have to make. So as simple as like just grabbing a few, putting them in your backpack, going about your way, and having your day. You know what I'm saying? It's not too big. It's an easy essential piece to just basically lug around. Now guys, whenever it comes to creasing your shoes, this does help, but obvious things help as well. Don't be running around on your tiptoes. Don't be shooting jumpers like James Harden stepping back. Certain things just can't be avoided. I don't care how many sneaker shields you have in your shoes. You can't be around here playing hopscotch in your new Air Jordan 1s and expect them not to be beat up because you put in a pair of these. As you guys can see, the sneaker shield does work. And just for further detail and some more video, I do have some B-roll of me actually walking around in them, doing the on foot in these sneakers, just to show you how good the sneaker shields work. So I'm gonna go ahead and run that, and then we will come back to end the video. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video on how to protect your sneakers from creasing. Now if you do decide to go over to Rejuvenator to buy anything, make sure you use my discount code SNIPER. Now what that does, it allows you to save 10% on the entire website. So even if you do go to the website, see other things that you like, get sneaker shields, get more. You can save 10% by using my discount code. And if you're a supporter, it really does help me as well. So I appreciate it, man. Guys, do not forget, let's try to get this video to at least 1,000 likes. I will be doing a Rejuvenator giveaway if we hit 1,000 likes on this video. So make sure, if you've ever wore a pair of Air Jordan 1s in your life, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button. That's just about it for me today. Thank you guys for watching. And you know, I cannot leave without saying everybody wanna be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.